Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. So as you know, due to the current coronavirus, all of the stores are completely sold out of hand sanitizer. So I decided to make a video to show you guys how to do it really easy at home. So all you need is some rubbing alcohol. This is the 91%. They recommend that you use between 60% and 99%. Of course, the higher the percentage, the better. You'll also need some aloe vera gel. This is the one that I'm using here. And two optional ingredients. One for fragrance would be 100% natural essential oil, and I have the orange scent. And if your hands tend to get really dry when you use hand sanitizers, you do have the option to put a few drops of oil. I am using the vitamin E oil, but you can also use olive oil or any type of oil that you usually use on your skin. And as far as the containers, I got 3 of these containers at Dollar Tree for $1, and this is the spray bottle option for a thinner consistency, and for a thicker consistency with more gel you can use this pour out bottle with a little spout here that you can open and close. And of course you can use empty hand sanitizer bottles that you already have. All of the ingredients and the measurements will be down in the description box, and feel free to share this video with anyone you know interested in making their own hand sanitizer. So let's get started.